A little update on the new lot. We got the bin pad for the first like 5 or 6 bins ready. Shop's basically ready. Plumbers hooked up the wrong water meter tap. In fact, we're supposed to have 2 taps, 2 1-inch meters. And they set us up with 1 5/8-inch meter, which is like what a residential house would have. And we're trying to water 5 acres. So, which we do have a well, but that'll be our backup. And we want to make sure there's enough water there for backup, just in case the well goes dry or it's not good water. But we did this 3rd section, as you can see, today. Did that middle section yesterday, and that far section we did a couple days ago. But it's coming along. All the sidewalks, literally, that's all we got left to do is right here in concrete. Put in our fence, let the builder finish up his last little couple details, and we're ready to rock and roll. All right, this is my 2nd shirt for the day. I don't know how the hell I got this one all dirty, but that was my first one. I had to take it off. It was chafing my nips. A lot of concrete work in the last day or two. I think I got a little sunburn action. Hard work, man. Time to take a shower.